Hey there, Mike Maharis with Washmasters out of Minneapolis, Minnesota. Window cleaning, exterior cleaning company here. I want to do a quick review and walkthrough of the RHG Tucker Fill and Go systems we have mounted in both of our fleet vehicles. Let me flip around here and show what we got. Okay, here's our Fill and Go. This was purchased in 2019. This machine has all the standard equipment you'd find in any one of the Fill and Goes. We have it mounted in a 2016 Ram ProMaster. This is a half-ton chassis. And this, for all intent and purpose, is our soft wash vehicle. So it has all of our soft wash equipment and power washing equipment, and then also has RHG Fill and Go in there. This is hands down an amazing unit. And then I'm going to show you our other strict window cleaning only van here. Okay, here is the Ford Transit Connect. This is a 2018 Ford Transit Connect XLT. We have our original Fill and Go machine. This one was purchased in 2018. I have it powered off of 200 amp hour deep cycle solar batteries. Has the regular 3/8 hose on both the reels. Have it centrally mounted in the vehicle, so both doors can swing open. You gain access. You got our two Tucker Easy, they're not Easy Pure anymore. These are the Tucker Eco Minis. You have it on the other side. Without a doubt, both of these machines have single-handedly changed our business as it relates to window cleaning. I mean, the price point is just completely able to be returned on in less than half a season. And that's just doing really conservative amounts of window cleaning. If you're really filling the schedule up strong, you're gonna be able to pay that off really quickly. And Sean's pricing model now, where you can get interest-free financing for 12 months, I mean, it's just a no-brainer to get these machines. And again, you're gonna enhance your productivity, you're gonna make your business that much stronger. And I can't tell you and stress enough how important these things have been to our business growth over the last several years.